Maintaining your home can be expensive. Not maintaining your home can be a lot more expensive. Whether you're thinking about selling your home 1 year down the road or 10 or never, there are certain things that do need to be done to your home. You got to take care of your most important investment so that it will take care of you. A homeowner will have to pay for home maintenance either while they're living there or when they sell it. And when they sell it, it can be a lot more costly. So what I recommend is that every homeowner identify a series of projects that they may try to tick off each of the next few years in order to keep their home functioning well and up to date. A homeowner will have to pay for home maintenance either while they're living in it or when they sell it. And when they sell it, it can be a lot more costly. It's pretty obvious to home buyers when a home hasn't been well kept up or updated. And a buyer is not going to pay an astronomical price for a home that's going to need a whole bunch of work when they move in. So the market will tell what that home is actually worth. Now, as a homeowner, you may not be thinking about selling anytime soon, but you still should develop a list of projects that will help you not only keep your home functioning properly, but keep your investment protected so that you work at the functional items in the home and the stylish, up-to-date trends that might make your home more attractive to a buyer. Here are 5 projects that I see as really important for homeowners, either from a maintenance standpoint or a home improvement standpoint. Number 1, siding. Keep an eye on the siding of your home. Wood siding needs to be painted fairly often. Take a look at whether it's peeling or rotting or deteriorating. If it's just peeling, look at getting a real new coat of paint on the home. If there is some compromise in terms of rotting or deterioration of the siding, take a look at going to a low maintenance product. Cement fiber or vinyl are great options for low maintenance products. The second project that I see as a real important piece is new windows. Take a look at the age of your windows. If the windowsills are rotting, if you have fog between the panes, it tells you that the windows are just about ready to be replaced, and they're probably not very efficient anymore. So if you're thinking about selling in the next year or two, it makes a lot of sense to put windows in. If you're thinking of staying for a long time, new windows will make your home more efficient and probably more enjoyable to live in the home. It's an expensive project, I know that, but a lot of window replacement vendors will offer financing to take some of the sting out of that project. And new windows in a home are something that are very valuable to home buyers. Project number 3 I see as really important is the mechanicals of the home. The furnace, the water heater, the air conditioner. They're all really important to not only your enjoyment of the home, the efficiency of the home, but any home buyer looking at it. If your appliances and your mechanicals are more than 10 years old, it probably makes sense to get a home warranty. Home warranties can run between $500 and $1,000 and will pay for themselves over and over if you have to have your air conditioner replaced or your furnace replaced and so on down the line. So keep an eye on your mechanicals. The next thing to keep an eye on is looking at whether your plumbing fixtures and light fixtures are up to date. It's a really easy way to make your home look more attractive, and you can pick them off one at a time. Do a room, new light fixtures in this room. A bathroom, new plumbing fixtures in that bathroom can go a long way to updating that room. The last piece is to take a look at any of the spaces such as the kitchen and the bathrooms and look to see whether they are way outdated. Now, if they're a little outdated or really functional and nice, don't worry about it. But if you've got an avocado toilet and a terrible looking bathroom, you may want to think about putting that on your long range list to knock that out next year, the year after, whatever it is. Update that bathroom so that you'll enjoy it, but also so that home buyers can take a look at it and go, yeah, we don't need to do that project. This place is great. If you feel like you need some guidance in these projects, talk to a professional. A realtor you can trust can help you make these decisions and identify the right projects to take on so that your investment can continue to increase in value. And that's my take.